Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Smash the like button. Smash the like button, Derek. Put your smash the like button, Derek. I did it. What do you have to say, Derek? What do you have to say to the camera?
It's my brand new video. I like chickens.
How much do you like chicken from a scale 1 to 10?
500.
Derek, we're doing a little Q&A, by the way. It's a chicken eating video / Q&A. So, how do you make these new videos? How do you edit them? Are you gonna say anything? Oh, dang, how's that chicken taste?
Really good.
Really good? What's your favorite part of the chicken?
The head. The eyeball.
We have a question from a viewer. He said he requested you to sing Old Town Roads. Will you do it as you dance with the chicken?
What?
That's not, one of your subscribers wants you to sing Old Town Road. Will you sing it on camera? Will you look at the camera, by the way?
Man, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horses in the tag. Nanny bag, I got the horses in the bag. I didn't know
Okay, if your mom was watching this video, Derek, what would you want to say to her? He just dropped them. What would you want to say? You don't talk to your mom. You're not going to say anything to your mom.
I love you.
Say your outro. Say your outro.
We are the Doubles and we the Backwards. I'm eating a chicken right now. Here's my chicken. I mounted it. Hit the subscribe button. Post it on location. Comment down below which video do you like. The hot Cheeto or the spicy chicken.